Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good, right? Yes. In previous class what we have learned? We have learned about physical features of the earth, some physical features. What are the physical features? Hills and mountains. Two we have finished. Now in this today's topic we learn about other three: deserts, plains and plateaus. Yes. How are the desert, plains and plateaus? We have learned about hills and mountains, how it will be, where it will be, mostly where we find everything. Now we will learn about deserts, plains and plateaus. In detail we will learn more in the reader, children. Okay, everyone open your reader, page number 119. Okay.
Children, everyone open page number 119. We are doing S2, that is features of deserts, plains and plateaus. A desert is a dry land which receives less or no rainfall throughout the year. There are almost no or very few plants in a desert. Deserts are of two types: cold desert and hot desert. Cold desert are covered with snow throughout or most part of the year. Hot deserts are covered with sand and have a hot climate. We have a, what is a desert? Desert is a dry land, children, which receive less rainfall or else no rainfall throughout the year, and few plants also. See how the desert, we have two types of deserts. What are those? Hot desert and cold desert. How the hot desert is there? Hot desert is covered with full of sand and it will be hot climate every time, means throughout the year. And the cold desert means it is covered with full of snow. You can see the white here, okay, full of snow, and it will be throughout the year or else some part of the year. So this is the difference between the cold and hot desert. Turn the page, children. Plains. Plains are low flat land. The soil in the plains are usually fertile, which is good for growth of crops. See children, this is the plain. You can see there they grow the crops. This fertile is used to grow the crops very nicely. Okay. Plateaus are raised flat land. They have a steep slope and are flat from the top. The structure of the plateau look like a table and therefore there are also a known as a tableland. See children, this is the plateau. You can see here, see how flat it is there, and they have the steep slope also, and flat at top. You can see here flat at top, and it is look like a table. Table is like this, no? So it's look like a table like this, okay, and it is also called as tableland. Okay children, now let's do the workbook. Open page number 16. S2, deserts, plains and plateaus. Write today's date, children. Today's date is 22-12-2020. Okay, first bit, complete the table. You have some table format here and you have to complete it. Okay. Yes children, here they have given the landforms. What landforms we have read? Desert, plains, plateaus, and in deserts, hot desert and cold desert. Okay. Now let's see the first picture, and we have to write that name of the landform, which landform it is. Feature of the landform. Some features you have to write about, something you describe about that landform. Okay. What is this? You can see the picture. You can see in your workbook. What is this? What you can see here? You can see here sand, right? And it is very hot. So which type of landform is? Very good. It is desert. DESERT, desert. How it is there? Desert means what things it is there? First of all, it is very sand. So sandy. And second one, it is very dry. So very dry. And third one, in that rains will fall more? No rains. So no rains. These are the answers. Like that we'll do the next one. What is the next one? You can see the crops here, right? So where does the crops grow? In plants. Which type of landform it is? Plains. Plains. So how it will be? It is full of greenery, right? So green, and it is flat land. And third one is, what is the third one? You can see flat, slope, and what it is called? Very good. Plateaus. 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 How it is there? It is high like hill, but flat from top. Okay. And what is this last one? You can see the snow there. Yes. So what it is? It is cold desert. Cold desert. And it is what you can describe about that? What are the features? Very cold, covered with what is covered in cold desert? Snow. And there are no trees. So this is the answer, children. Okay, now let's do the third one. These are the answers. You can see. Yes, let's do the second one. Antarctica is a cold desert. Sahara is a hot desert. What differences will you find in the clothes of people living in Antarctica and Sahara? In Antarctica, what is the climate? Cold desert. So what type of clothes they wear? They wear warm and woolen clothes. And what is the Sahara desert? It is hot. So what type of clothes they wear? Cotton clothes. Very easy answer, right? So let's see the answer. People in Antarctica will be wearing warm woolen clothes. People in Sahara will be wearing cotton clothes. Very simple answer. Okay, children, complete your workbook. Yes, children, in the last class, I have told you about to write glossary, keywords, and true or false, and first question, right? So now we'll do the second question. Okay, open your reader. Yes, children, did everyone open page number 122? Now let's see the second question and third question. Third question is your second question and fifth question is your third question. Sorry. Not fifth question. Fourth question is your third question. And fifth question is your fourth question. In next class we will see. Okay. How is a cold desert different from a hot desert? How is cold desert different from a hot desert? It is covered with full of snow, and hot desert is hot, covered with sand. See, children, from here to here. First point, second answer, first point, and from here to here it is second point. Cold deserts are covered with snow throughout or most of the part. Second point, hot deserts are covered with sand and have a hot climate. This is your second answer. Okay, now let's do the third question. How is a plateau different from a plain? How is a plateau is different from a plain? See, first point, plain are low flat land. First point, and second point, plateaus are raised flat land. So this is the second point. Third answer. Simple answer, children. This much only. Okay. Complete your workbook S2 and write the second and third answer in your classwork. Okay. Complete your workbook and classwork, children. Okay. Thank you.